So if you watch the last tutorial, we just went over method inputs, right? Where we made this little program here with the speak method that takes in two strings and prints out the strings concatenated together. I'm just gonna quickly make this simpler again and just make it a one string word. Okay, here we go. So let's work from here. So we've talked about input. We know that we can give strings variables, but we're not outputting anything yet, right? Like everything we do here, we are simply just printing. But maybe what we want to do is give this some method input and actually get some kind of output back. So let's make a static method called addition, right? This is going to be a very simple method that you'll never actually have to write, but it will prove my point. So we're going to input two integers, int x and int y. So we could do this, system.out.println x plus y. And now if up here I use addition, there we are, of 5 and 6, we print 11 to the console. But maybe I don't want to print 11. Maybe I want to use 11 somewhere else, right? Now we're going to get to these words here in front of the method. So public static, we're not going to talk about for now, but this void here, this is the return type. And what we need to do is when we want a method to return something, we need to specify the type of thing that it is returning. So void is a special kind of type, and void just means nothing. It means that the method doesn't return anything. But what we want this method to return is an int. So I just change this void to the type int instead. Now, you can see that Eclipse is shouting at me. It's telling me that there's something wrong, and the thing that is wrong is we haven't specified what we're returning. This method must return a result of type int, means we have to tell the method what to give back. So there's a keyword with methods called return. And return tells the method the value that you want it to give back. And what we're going to do with this method is return x plus y, like so. I'm not going to make it printed anymore. I'm going to get rid of the printing function. And now what you're going to see is that when I press play, you're not going to see anything happen because we're not printing anymore. So if I press play here, we didn't get anything down in the console. But if I go system.out.println addition, what's going to happen is addition is going to take in 5 and 6. We're going to return 5 plus 6, which is 11, and then system.printout is going to get 11, like so. So the power of this, the reason that this is really cool, is because now you can use the addition function wherever you would otherwise use an integer, because the addition function returns a type of integer, so it can count as an integer wherever you want it to. So let's have a look. We might say this, y equals addition 1, 2, oops, gotta give it a type, int y equals addition 1, 2, plus addition 3, 4. So what's happening here? Well, we're calling addition of 1, 2, which is going to return an integer 3. We're calling addition on 3, 4, which is going to return an integer 7. And then we're going to do 3 plus 7. So if I system.out.println y, easier to copy paste. If I do this, I get 10. Just to be clear, I will hide the old one. We got the number 10. And so now what you can do is you can create functions that do complex things to numbers or complex things to anything, to doubles, to ints, to booleans, or anything like that. And you can use them as their return type to do very complicated things in a single line of code. Alright, that's it for now. So if you want to see any more student-made content or tutorials, make sure to check out the TVM YouTube channel, and I will see you next time.